Welcome back, everyone. Now another look at our top story. Leo's Bar is back open. Despite the recent arrest of one of the bar's bouncers, hundreds of calls for service and numerous fire code violations, Albuquerque city officials say things are better now, even though improvements are still in the works. Here's News 13's Crystal Gutierrez.
The city had been turning up the heat on Leo's Lounge, even sending this letter in February, warning if police service calls did not slow down, the bar could be shut down. On Thursday, Leo's was red tagged, but not because one of its bouncers was arrested and charged for kicking, punching, and choking out a customer until he was unconscious, but because of fire code violations, several of them.
There was a couple of extension cords that needed to be removed. And
Leo's attorney, Sam Bregman, makes light of the issue, but according to the city, there was one alarming hazard.
That was our biggest concern because they did not have a working fire alarm.
Still, the very next day, the bar was back open, even though the fire alarm wasn't fixed.
So obviously they couldn't install a fire alarm that quickly, so we feel that this is a very good compromise. What they agreed to was to have 2 fire monitors wearing fluorescent jackets walking the perimeter of the building looking for possible fires.
TJ Wilhelm says the red tag is entirely separate from the Safe City Strike Force investigation about the repeated police calls at the bar. City officials say they are concerned about the bouncer's arrest, but it might not be a factor in that investigation.
The only time it would come into play is if the calls for service can continue to go up, and there's no indication that they have.
As for the bouncer, he's already back at work.
he's been a good employee. Certainly he's been accused of certain things here, but those are just accusations. And
another part of the compromise, the second floor of the bar must remain closed. Now, Bregman says Leo's has changed its dress code, hired more security, and is doing everything it can to make sure police calls are down. The city says it appears to be working so far. Tim?
Thank you, Crystal. We asked the city when Leo's will have its fire alarm system fixed. We are still waiting for an answer.